Aaron saying, how do I tell if my wheel is clear coated or painted? Some wheel cleaners label do not use on a polished or uncoated wheel. So, Aaron, this is a very difficult discussion to have with somebody.
Ooh.
But an unpolished or uncoated wheel is what's known as a very raw aluminum wheel. Very strange to have that on your car.
Like straight out of a CNC machine, kind of.
It's a raw billet or aluminum.
Yeah.
Now, in the 90s, it was very popular.
Sure. Yeah.
Custom wheels came in that uncoated, unpolished, like a polished wheel, polished aluminum wheel.
Like probably some American Racing or something. Had
some of
that
those
kind.
were a polished aluminum, and you could burn ever living snot out of them.
Yeah.
Now, because so many people didn't know how to clean those wheels got trashed very quickly. So a lot of the aluminum, actual raw aluminum wheels got clear coated.
Nowadays,
currently, if you buy a new set of wheels, they usually have a form of a clear coat on them.
Yeah.
So if your car has the stock OEM wheels or has an aftermarket that is new that you recently purchased and they're brand new, 90% of the time you're not going to have that issue. Now, if you got on Craigslist and you bought a set of wheels from the 90s that you really, really liked, chances are there is a clear coat on them from the factory, but there's another chance that those wheels may not have. One of my gigs that I always love doing, Aaron, is searching for raw aluminum wheels on Craigslist, buying them for pennies on the dollar, meaning I'd buy a set of 4 for $50, take them home, get my polishing ball and some wheel polish or metal polish, and clean and polish out those wheels, put them back on Craigslist and sell them for $300, $400.
Sure.
So an easy way to make money over a weekend. So it's something you got to learn. It's something you got to figure out. It's something you got to do. And if you're around a lot of wheels, it's easy to learn. But if you're not, it's going to be more difficult to learn. If you want, email me, levi@theragcompany.com. I will send you pictures so that you can actually see the difference, because it is a question on the IDA CD exam and SV examination, is deciphering which are the types of wheels and what the finishes are.